Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to transfer your Google Authenticator accounts to another phone. First, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Then, click on the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner, go to Transfer Accounts, and click on Continue. It will ask you if you want to move all accounts to the other phone or just some of them. If you want to move all of them, make sure they are all selected. If not, choose which ones you want to transfer to the other phone and click on Export. After that, a QR code will appear. Grab your other phone, open the Google Authenticator app, click on Add a Code, then click on Scan a QR code, and that's it. Now all of your Google Authenticator accounts will be on your other phone. I hope this video helps you, and I will see you on the next one.